Investing in your online reputation is one of the highest ROI activities that you can do for building your home service company. Your online reputation is literally an asset, and the more time that you spend developing that asset, the more that that asset is going to pay you dividends in the long run. Today, I'm going to show you some tips that help me turn around the entire game when it comes to getting reviews. I used to just ask customers to give me reviews when I left the job and hoped and prayed that they would send me reviews. But I now realize that you need a more robust system in place in order to actually get those reviews. So today I'm going to show you how I do it and how everything changed for me once I started putting this simple system in place. Okay, I'm going to make this a really short video so that way I keep it strictly to the actionable items. So whenever a job gets marked complete in my system, it automatically sends them a review request. That one thing right there can change everything for you. Instead of having to rely on customers, asking customers and relying on their goodwill to go online, search your business, type in your company, find it and post a review, it's too hard. You have to make it easy for the customer. So that's why as soon as I mark done in a customer's job, they get a review request. Now, a couple key things here that make all the difference in increasing the percentages of people that will actually fill it out. Number one, you can include a picture of yourself. All right, it's so much more likely that your client is going to review you instead of reviewing the actual company. So if you're reviewing the person and the technician that personally helped them out, the response rates are going to go way up. So including an image in that is going to even help more. So include an image of yourself or your business and personalize it, right? Hello, Mr. Customer. We use their first name. As a small business, reviews are very important to us. Please take a moment to let Alistair know how he did. All right. So the other important part of this is you have to not just send it once, but send it multiple times based on the client's reaction. So, for example, if the customer see until clicked, see this right here, until clicked, repeat this every 2 days, maximum retries 2. So if the customer does not click on the review link, it's going to retry every 2 days. And you can be as aggressive or as passive as you want with this. So you could do maximum retries 5, so every 2 days they're receiving it. You could do every 1 day, every week, or every couple hours, whatever it is. You can customize it, and so we also send it via text message and via email. All right, so it's the same thing via email. All right, so this is how I did it, and the important thing is that you have to automate it so that way it goes out every single time to every single customer. You cannot rely on the customer to do it. You have to make it super simple for them to do it, and that will change everything for you. I hope you guys found this valuable. This little trick here changed everything for me, and I hope it will for you too. Like and subscribe to this video. I'm going to be showing a lot more information like this in the future. Thanks.